We're living in a world that is increasingly becoming digitalized and datafied. So that's being increasingly incorporated into our lives whether we like it or not. That includes our social lives, also our economic lives, our work lives, and our political lives. My name is Roxana Vatanparast. I am teaching global digital law and politics at Harvard Summer School. I come from a background of having studied international law in law school, and I did my PhD in Europe. So being present in the EU while things like the General Data Protection Regulation were coming into effect, where there was a lot of conversation around data privacy issues, I think was really beneficial to help expand my perspective to not just have an American or US-centric perspective on these issues. Having a very thorough understanding of the relationship between law and these technological developments, I think is really important, because if we don't take a very systemic and global view on these issues, I think we miss out on a lot of the foundational problems that underlie some of the harmful effects of these developments. So I don't presume any background knowledge in law, because some students have never taken a law course before. And I also don't presume any prior technical knowledge. I really give a thorough background on all those things to make sure everybody's on the same page. I have a very unique group of students that I think I would only have in this setting. Some of them are pursuing law degrees in other countries, and they come from a different cultural and different legal background. And others are working as software engineers in governments in other countries around the world. So it's really interesting to hear diversity of perspectives from the students that I learn a lot from as well. And also the students learn to think about the issues differently when they take into account all of these different cultural aspects, that there's nothing universal about law or technology. It's something that I think is so important for students to be well informed, not only as citizens, but it can also really help them in their future careers, no matter which area they decide to go into.